If you're trying to play EA Sports FC 26 and keep getting the unable to connect to EA servers error, you're not alone. This issue usually happens because of unstable internet, DNS problems, or ISP restrictions. The good news is you can fix it quickly using a few simple network tweaks. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Open network settings. Go to your console, home screen, then settings, then network, then set up internet connection. If possible, use a LAN cable instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Step 2. Change DNS. If you're on Wi-Fi, select your current network, then advanced settings, then DNS settings, then manual. Enter. Primary DNS 1.1.1.1. Secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. Save the settings and reconnect to the internet. Step 3. Switch internet connection. If FC26 still won't connect, turn on mobile hotspot on your phone and connect your console to it. This helps confirm if your main Wi-Fi or ISP is causing the problem.